it. So I am going to give you the alignment question that he reveals in his book, which is based on 3 H's. Now, you can decide how you want to train people on this one, share this with people, or use your own words to be able to do it. But essentially, what we want to do is, in order to diagnose before we jump into this conversation and know what's my role and really be in the right listening space, is it going to be a practical, emotional, and or social, right? Because it can be a combination of these. And here's our 3 H's. In the practical, do you want to be, oh, I'm sorry, that one is down here. Do you want to be helped? That's the practical. Is there something I could do to help you here? Do you want to be heard? And I'm really engaging in the listening and empathizing with you. And yeah, man, that really sucks. And I'm not trying to fix your problem. I'm just sitting in it with you. Or is it that you want to be, oh, I'm sorry. For those who wrote that down, my apologies. Hugged. This one's really hugged. This one's the heard. This is that emotional one. Like, do you need that hug, that verbal hug, maybe even a little squeeze? Do you need to be hugged? That's the emotional one. And then the to be heard is that social side of things of, and this is where we're at a lot of times. It's that identity and we're just exchanging information, trying to understand each other. Where are you at? And they're not looking for any help. They're not looking for any emotional support. They're just looking to be heard. So, sometimes people talk about ESP. I think that's an easy way to remember this. If you want ESP when it comes to conversations, here's what it is. Is it going to be an emotional, a social, or a practical conversation on that ESP? In other words, are you looking to be hugged, heard, or helped? And that's my preferred method to actually say it is, okay, kiddos, wife, whoever it is I'm engaging with, I want to make sure I'm playing the right role here. Do you need a hug? Do you want to be heard, or do you need to be helped? And once you've had a conversation about what that means, you can use those words without it being corny. But there's maybe other words. You're like, hey, do you just need an event right now? Are you looking for a solution? That you can use whatever's normal and natural in the conversation. So if it's a first time, you're not like having to do a training on this. But that's what I want you to think about is for yourself, make sure you're asking this question and then some way ask them so that you can find out. As you do that, you're able to diagnose the conversation you're having here to then know how to prescribe for yourself the role that you're playing in that. So, with that, here's the question. Do you want to be helped, hugged, and or heard, or whatever preference that is? That is your super communicator question to practice and think about this week, and then come back next week and think, okay, how well did I do on that to be able to